back to our channel. Today we're going to do Fix This Slime Challenge. So today we're going to fix the store-bought slime, and you have an orange one. So sometimes store-bought slime can be good or sometimes they can be bad. So let's open it.
Okay.
It has some little pom-poms on top.
Help.
This open. That just popped right open.
Oh.
This is
wheel.
It smells like
Orange,
Wait,
but it's not
it smells like
stretchy.
Yeah, it smells like an orange, but it's not.
But
Okay, let me take it out.
wheel, no wheel.
So I'm gonna put my sleeves out.
For the pumps away.
This is so glossy.
No,
Wait,
ready?
like this is how sometimes store-bought slime.
I think we can make it better.
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice.
Like with my distance. We're not ready yet.
What are you gonna do? Like, do you guys see this? Let's put it in.
This. Look at this one.
I want to really. Hey, this is yours. You don't have to. It's like this is what every store-bought slime does. When you poke it, it like grows back up.
Look at green.
Right, here are the ingredients. What are you going to get?
Okay, down. It's
With coloring, a charm. Yeah, it's okay. Just take. What do you want?
Don't want.
A donut. I'm going to make like a sweet. You have a bunch of my favorite charm from all time coming here.
Okay.
Are you all
done with your ingredients?
You have to wait, can't you not wait? So you got those?
This slime is good, but I think I can make it better.
That's all of your ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn to get mine.
Okay. What do you get?
So I'm gonna get some lotion. I'm gonna get some lotion, some shaving cream to line up the color, and we can share if you want these.
I want this.
Wait, we're gonna share, okay? And if it gets softer, I'm gonna get this clay, and it looks really cool. And then when the color is all lightened up, and maybe if it can be a little, then I'm just going to keep it like a pastel orange, and then I'm gonna get a charm. I think I'm going to. I like the rose, but I think I'm gonna get a little orange charm and some glitter. Which glitters did I get? These are the cute glitters. Now I'm just going to get this whole pack so I can find which glitter I want to choose.
Okay. My turn. From the color, I want to make it better, so I'm gonna get teal to make blue, and then
how are you going to make teal with orange, and that's going to make blue?
So I'm gonna get some blue foam beads.
Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna get some foam beads. I'm gonna get these white ones. Just
no, because look at this.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Okay, so 2 ingredients, and then I'm gonna get a bit magical clay.
What was that?
I mean, Daiso clay.
That's not Daiso clay. This is Daiso clay.
To make it softer, and then a charm. I'm gonna get. No, I'm gonna get. That's a good one. I'm gonna get an avocado.
Yummy avocado. So I think that's all our ingredients, right?
Yeah.
3, 2, and I have the most ingredients. So when you have the most ingredients, that means you're gonna make the better slime, right?
First, I'm gonna change the color, so I'm gonna put some teal or blue with coloring.
Now I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Just a
Bam.
little bit because this slime is
Bam.
kind of hard. The shaving cream.
I'm gonna
make some harder sometimes.
I'm gonna make 2. I'm gonna put 2 tubs because this shaving cream is very strong.
That shaving cream is super strong, guys.
I mean, food coloring.
And hopefully this slime gets lighter. I'm feeling dizzy. This is a person that's actually changing. Well, he has clay, but I was going to tell you that changed the texture. I don't want to make this like super fluffy because the clay is going to be very hard to mix it, and it's kind of like hard to mix it.
And I can donut.
Good luck for making your slime blue or teal, whatever you want to make it.
Good luck. I added some more because this is not turning into blue or teal.
Well, of course it's not because it's orange slime. You mean
These
Starbucks
are big
slime.
more.
You already have a bunch, you still didn't mix it in.
Okay.
And that's some more because this is not mixing. Guys, come on. I'm going to try to make like
Donut.
Okay, he's still my hand. Guys, come on, I'm going to try to make it. What's that? I love shaving cream so much. It's
Now
such
I'm
a
gonna add
fluffy-
some
Here, I can help you. Wait.
food coloring. It's still not turning into teal. So I hope it turns into teal or something.
I think that'll turn green.
Just a bit better than orange. That's when I want to change it.
You don't care what color it changes. You just don't want it orange.
Yeah.
I just want it to turn into light or pastel.
Actually, I have a better idea. I'm gonna take some clay and add some food coloring to the clay.
Okay. Oh, that clay looks so soft.
You're by yourself, you know.
Right?
Yep. Clay by yourself. So I added some food coloring. Now let's mix it. I hope it turns into teal or blue.
The clay?
Yeah. I mean,
Well, of course it's going to turn
when I
teal.
add the clay and the slime, it's gonna turn teal.
We need some scissors. Okay. Here it is. And now you can have this.
Okay, that's enough food coloring. So now let's mix it in.
By feeling like your guys' slime compared to mine feels softer so far. I'm so far shaving cream helped. Wait. Where's the little... Okay, I lied.
Get out my slime. Now it's kind of teal, so I'm gonna add in the clay.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you.
I think this is a better clay than Daiso. It's very soft.
This is soft, but that's really... Whoa. I love the texture of mine.
Oh, mine is turning into good color.
That's green.
Yeah, that's green. That's curly green.
Now I'm serious. I'm taking some good clay.
Okay, I'm not gonna open this one. I'm just going to share with him. I just really like to share. Wait, you didn't get that green. I said I'm not going to... What? He is such a cheater. I said I'm going to share clay with him. I didn't say you can have it. Yeah, I said I'm going to share with him. With Marnet. I'm very surprised how this smells so good. Well, I don't really like my scent, but
From the food coloring, doesn't smell good.
This is that now because now
guys, who do you think is going to win by the color so far?
now got brown.
Well, like
Okay.
that color.
BG, got green, and now got
That's enough
brown.
food coloring.
I don't think I want to change the color anymore. I like it how it is. It's a little
It's
bit
very
lighter. It's not like hard, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of lotion.
Is this the color?
Because
I'm gonna add a bit more so I can get a better texture and a better color.
You keep saying color.
Because I want a good color.
okay.
Okay, plastic on the sun. You made a straw? Wow.
How do you make it?
Your hands are, as I said, they got food coloring.
Who cares? It's just I'm going to win. Get out of my
How is
slime.
it so stretchy?
Because it's Marnet's
So
slime.
I'm inside of your slime. That's why I was saying, get out of my slime.
So, just wanna get a good color.
Guys, have you watched these girls? They're so cute and tiny. That's like little hearts, chunkies.
That's why I got an avocado charm, because I knew it's gonna turn into green.
So you're faking and saying that this is going to turn to yellow or blue?
Yes.
I don't think so. I'm not some shaving cream to this color just because.
A lot of kneading when you add some clay.
Yeah, because it's just here. You can use the other clay. Why do you want to use it? You did that's the size of ingredients.
Are you cheating?
Well, I can already see it.
More?
Yeah.
You didn't get this ingredient.
Now stuff it in.
How are we gonna pop it? Okay, this is how much.
Okay, now I'm
You
gonna make
just
my
didn't get this
swirl.
ingredient, so.
Oh yeah, before I make my swirl, I have to add my foam beads.
Okay.
Mine is soft already. I'm gonna just add a little bit of some. Wait, that's fine. It's very nice, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna make a donut.
Yeah.
Wait. Like this is how I was
Look at
expecting the colors to be with this.
Oh, my slime is the best.
This is the best clay in the world.
Now let me make my swirl.
You guys are already done.
Excuse me.
What? What?
You love avocado, you said.
Yeah, but not your slime.
Did you hear that?
I think I'm all done with my slime.
So you gotta make your swirl now.
And you are all
Hey,
done?
no. You ruined my whipped cream.
Hey, you are done?
We're trying.
And you are done, butter?
We're trying.
Hey, I need my butter there. There. And you are done almost?
Yes, almost.
I'm going to make this
I'll make-
swirl.
Now make roll.
And then
Copier.
Okay,
Okay.
so what's my slime? I made my candy avocado
Okay, you can have
slime,
it.
and it's very pokey. And now take the charm off for lucky challenge. Here's my candy with whipped cream avocado slime.
I hate food coloring so much. It makes a mess.
Sure, but they
What were you doing the whole time I was talking? Oh my gosh, these are getting in my hand. This is a new flavor whipped cream that I made, and when you see it at the store, when you see it at the store, it'll be like, oh, I found this new shaving cream. Who made it? It'll be like, oh, it's Ginevra. That's how. This is a new flavor shaving cream. I'm gonna get it, and then when you see it, it's clay. Then when you see it, it's clay. A little fun story, right?
did you mean to say whipped cream, not shaving cream?
Did I say shaving cream?
Yeah.
What? Well, it can be shaving cream for shaving.
No, I'm going to my elevator too. It's the soccer place.
Dun, 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 dun.
My elevator is broken.
When your elevator is broken, you have to be stuck. Oh no, I'm stuck. The lights are broken. Oh no.
We're not on TV show here.
Hey guys, what do I not?
What did you find out?
Go away.
Oh my god.
Go away, Nane.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY orange elastic charm. So first you make a ball with your orange clay. You just pat it. And then you can use your fingers or get a tool. I have this tool knife. And then you take some white clay or anything you're using, but I think you need white clay. What's wrong? What's wrong with my voice? And then it's so funny. And then you're gonna pat.
Ow! Hey, I'm gonna need a bit.
You need more?
No, quick.
Don't do that. I don't think you need to color the clay. Just use slime and then mix it up. So first, let's restart. Hi, welcome to my orange show. How can I help? So today we're going to show you how to make your own DIY orange clay. So first off, some orange clay dye with food coloring. That's what I did. Pat it up. You ruined my tip. Hi, welcome to Ginevra's tip.
How much do you have to see that?
That's
over?
my clay. Give me. Yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY orange. Take some orange clay, pat it up, pat it. Then take the white clay, pat it. It's supposed to be a little smaller than your orange knife. I don't know. Your orange. What's it called? Skin. I don't know. And then you have to make this one very okay. Just do it. Doesn't matter. And now you cut this like a pizza into 4 or 6, I don't know how much parts.
Because you don't know how to make a pizza.
I'm making an orange. Hello.
One hour later.
This is the
And this is how I make your own DIY smashed orange. Okay, alright guys, so let me show you my slime, come on. So first I'm gonna make a swirl. Why do you need brown food coloring? Use the brown slime. No. Okay!
Hee.
This is what
Hey,
okay. Alright guys, so let me make a swirl for you.
Infinity
And now
hours later.
Now you need a little bit of faux beads. Wait, this swirl is horrible. Thank you.
Do you know that
Thank
this
you.
is more clickly than your slime?
My slime is not slime ASMR.
You mean
Okay.
what slime?
Okay. Okay, that looks. Now you take this tie-dye. Oh well, no. Take a little turn. Then my mini sprinkles.
I forgot you had that too.
This is at the top. I see the perfect one. This one. What's wrong? Wait, you add a little bit.
copy.
And then it's a jar
No,
of
wait,
orange
okay.
juice. So when you want to drink orange juice, you just have it in the slime. Yeah. Do you
I'm
guys
sure
like
you
my
only-
slime?
You only had the 3 stars in there.
Yeah, so here's my charm. I mean slime. No, it's mixing the clay. Okay, grab it. Come on, watch it. Thank you. Thank you for the new whipped cream I made. Thank you. Thank you. So 50% off.
She doesn't know what's going on. Come here.
Come eat me.
She doesn't know what's going on.
Hey, come eat. Hey, go away.
Hey, you have to film me. A bunch of people are coming over here.
Hey, good was this time. Me.
Is the only filming of doing that thing? Shaking your eyebrows.
Right, guys, so here's my slime. If you think mine is a winner, hashtag
Orange yogurt. Orange juice slime.
orange juice.
9.
Mini world of orange juice crazy. No.
Hey, come eat.
Snow in the orange banana.
Go me now.
It's
Now we did it. Hashtag donut 9.
do not slime. Do
Yeah.
not slime.
Yeah.
And if you
Donuts.
think
Just
I should,
donut.
no, my avocado char.
I don't know what happened to
chopped in half.
because you eat avocado.
So if you think I should win, comment down below. If you think I should win, comment down below. Orange world. Be and your turn.
Oh, okay.
Come here,
Guys, if you think I should win, comment down below. Comment down below. Avocado candy slime. Come here.
Come on to eat.
No, come over here, you.
No more to eat. Hashtag donut.
Okay, that's. So one more time. So if you like my slime, hashtag orange world. And if you like his slime, hashtag chop in half avocado butter. And if you think he should win, hashtag
Chocolate donut.
Donut.
chocolate drizzle donut. So,
Hey, no dick donut.
okay, so if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell so don't miss any new videos. So make sure to like and subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any new video. No one's talking.
You said that many times, you know.
So if you like this video, just like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss any new videos we make. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.